Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it, Elmo. That's my boy. You go, Carly, run. Kick that ball, Carly. Run.
Oh, well, hello there, fellow cheerleader.
Oh, well, howdy, Dahlia. How do, Clem?
Oh, hey, Louie.
Glad you're here to see Carly in action. She and Elmo are having a great time.
Well, yeah, it's Monster Ball. Go, Carly. Go, Elmo.
Go, Carly! Oh, I am so happy we could be here for Carly today.
I'm so happy you're here for Carly every day. How's everything been since becoming her foster parents?
Well, changes like this can be really rough for kids. And for adults, too.
It's had its ups and downs, but no matter what, we try to let Carly know we are always here for her.
Yeah, and it's great for her to keep playing Monster Ball every week. Well, that way she can count on one thing staying the same.
Being a foster parent is a big job. Anything Elmo and I can do to help, say the word and we'll be there. You're not in this alone. We are part of your team.
Oh, thanks so much. Maybe Elmo can come over for dinner on Tuesday night.
Yeah, we're starting Pizza Party Tuesdays. Well, it'd be great if Elmo could join us.
Well, of course Elmo can come. Everything's better with a friend by your side. Look. Elmo passed the ball to Carly.
Go,
Carly!
Oh, she kicked the ball!
Yeah, that was awesome. Hey, we did a good job.
Great job, Carly!
Good job, son.
Did you see that?
Way to go.
Yeah, you were so good.
Go,
Go
team!
team!
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so proud